Hi, my name is Bernard. I'm an apprentice at Jaguar Land of South Africa. Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a vehicle. First step, you need a working vehicle and jumper cables. Position the working car as close as possible to the non-working vehicle. Turn off both vehicles. Connect the red wire, which is the positive, to the positive of the battery of the Discovery. Connect the positive to the Freelander's positive. Then connect the black wire, which is the negative, to the body of the vehicle, Discovery. Start the working vehicle. Switch on all your lights, hazards, anything possible you can switch on. Connect the black wire to the Freelander's body. After all these steps are completed, attempt to start the vehicle. Once the vehicle has started, remove all the connections in reverse order. Thanks for joining me here at MGN. Cheers.